Magnuto tayo ng stir-fried manok at green beans. Let's get started. Alright guys, in the hot pan we're going to stir-fry our green beans. Yes, the pan is really hot. We're going to get these nice and stir-fried. So we get a little color, we're going to put them aside. Alright, this is how we want it. Alright, let's put this aside. Alright, stir-fried green beans. Now let's stir-fry our chicken. Alright, let's add our black pepper and get some more color out of this. Hang with me and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Alright. Alright, let's add our fresh garlic. Alright. Okay, let's add our wonderful oyster sauce. We're going to do about a tablespoon and a half. Alright. We're going to add our soy sauce. Yes. Wonderful. Wow, this is delicious. These aromas are coming together. Let's add back our wonderful stir-fried beans, green beans. Get them right in there. Oh my goodness. Get them in. Don't miss nothing. Get it all in there. Look at that wonderful color contrast. Yes. Wow. Look at this. Get all those flavors together. As you can see, the chicken is nicely fully cooked. Oh yes. Okay, let's top it off with some wonderful fresh parmesan. Just top it off. Oh yes. Oh yes. Look at that. This is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.